Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the crypto realm. All right, so we're going to talk about Coinbase, and we got some haters on Coinbase. Ooh, they're calling it worthless. What do you guys think? I think it's going to be okay, but DeFi will definitely give it a run for its money. So, Black Swan author says Coinbase is worthless. And this isn't the Black Swan movie author, this is a book. So this guy has a book. He did it in 2007. The Black Swan, The Impact of the Highly Improbable, is a 2007 book by author and former options trader Nassim Nicholas Taleb. The book focuses on the extreme impact of rare and unpredictable outlier events and the human tendency to find simplistic explanations for these events retrospectively. Taleb calls this the Black Swan theory. Hmm. So the book covers subjects relating to knowledge, aesthetics, as well as ways of life, and uses elements of fiction and anecdotes from the author's life to elaborate his theories. It spent 36 weeks on the New York Times bestseller list. The book is a part of Talib's 5-volume series titled The Inserto, including Fooled by Randomness. Well, there's the names all there. I guess he's popular. He's on the charts, right? 36 weeks. But why should I read The Black Swan? Quick summary. The Black Swan is about understanding unpredictable extreme events, like the 9/11 attacks, rise of the internet, and stock market crashes. Nassim Taleb says we are unprepared for the next big event like this because we rely too much on incomplete theories, limited models, and flimsy historical narratives. I don't know. We're all pretty busy. We can't be focused all the time. Shit happens, man. So the Black Swan author says Coinbase is worthless. Like, that's pretty big words. Ouch. He says the stock, he's extremely bearish on it. All right, so let's get into this. Even if the cryptocurrency industry somehow manages to recover from the worst crisis to date, the company still has a grisly future, according to a well-known statistician. Back in May, famed short seller Jim Chanos, who made a killing with his early bet against Enron, predicted that Coinbase would continue to struggle due to its declining fee revenue. However, it should be noted that Taleb doesn't expect Coinbase to implode in the same dramatic manner as FTX. Yeah, man, FTX was like a nuclear explosion, just like inverted. As reported by U.Today, Coinbase's stock collapsed to an all-time low on September 21st after investors' faith in centralized exchanges was dented, try like destroyed, by the sudden collapse of the second biggest cryptocurrency trading platform. Yep. So earlier this week, Dan Dolev, senior analyst at Mizuho Americas, called the Coinbase stock a waste of time. It could be, but it's going to be around. You need an onboarding ramp. But DeFi, damn, DeFi like already takes up 40 to like 60% of the volume. So centralized exchanges, boy, if they don't like keep their things tight, running smoothly, they can just go quick time because DeFi is just a protocol running on the internet. But these places are like banks. They have like offices, buildings. They have a lot of overhead. So they have to be like very careful what they do. Where were we in that sense? I'll just read that again. Earlier this week, Dan Dolev, senior analyst at Mozu Americas, called the Coinbase stock a waste of time after claiming that the company wouldn't benefit from the sudden collapse of one of its biggest rivals in a recent research note, which is true. Their stock is crashing and one of their biggest rivals is gone, so it's not a good sign. Taleb recently opined that the cryptocurrency industry was in the middle of a crisis due to the lack of cash flow. Yep. If exchanges get like an exchange run, that's where everybody goes and takes their money out at the same time, it's real damaging because they might not have all those funds ready to go and give it back to their customers. That's why Binance started this proof of reserve system. So they're showing the customers' funds are right there publicly seen, one-to-one back. The scientist is convinced that the crypto sector hasn't fully managed to produce anything remotely useful. Well, once they get to the DeFi, like what else do we need besides DeFi? We don't need nothing else, really. All these big banks on every corner, wasting energy and space, polluting, costing a crap ton of money. Then you got the office buildings downtown. Holy man, like, that's a lot of overhead. Hence, it relies on speculation due to its inability to generate cash flow. Prior to the collapse of FTX, Taleb said that the crypto industry has entered a full-blown ice age. Nah, we're just in another bear market. We get these every few years. Got the Mount Goxes, and a few years ago it collapsed, and then it came back up just recently, and now it's going back down again. You know what I mean? Up and down, up and down. That's the way it goes. All right, everybody. What do you think? Is Coinbase gonna be done? I don't think so. But DeFi is definitely going to give it a run for its money. Play hard, trade smart.